Okay, so there's three pieces of advice for your language analysis piece. So by now, what you should have in front of you is a pen and a highlighter and a copy of your first draft or full language analysis essay. And we're going to be looking for three things that you're going to be checking for, and these are ways to improve your piece. So this is not aimed at you specifically, but this is general advice from my years of experience marking these pieces, and it'll give you a little bit of a history of what you've been doing up until now, from year 7 to year 10, and what you should be expected to do in year 11 and year 12. Okay, so number one, super easy. With your paper in front of you and a highlighter and a pen, you're looking simply for the word audience. So you should ideally, in a language analysis piece, never use the word audience, but what you should do instead is highlight the places where you've done this and replace it with a much more specific noun phrase. So, the word audience is technically a noun phrase. It's just very short and very limited. It's almost like a pronoun in the sense that it's not specific. So what we're aiming for is very much something that is specific. So you might have, the obvious one would be, Australian readers or Australian audience. You want to replace that and be more specific. So usually particular arguments are aimed at particular groups. So you can be really granular. If you're talking about a specific example, say statistics might be more persuasive for a mathematically minded, statistically trained, economically interested reader, let's say, for example. So, but let's think really simply. At the moment you've got audience, you want to replace that with what we call an extended noun phrase. So basically an extended noun phrase is when you've got your noun phrase, so let's say Australian reader, which isn't great. We're going to add a lot of adjectives in front of that to make that more dense and more complex, so adjectives to describe them. So you might say ornery or young, or any word that you think adds more detail and more illustration to what you're working with will help with this piece. And then I guess the next level that I alluded to just before is when you're adding specific audience groups that are being targeted by a specific technique. That's kind of the highest level, that's the holy grail, that's what you're aiming for. So all your task is to do is find audience and think of more specific things that you can add to make that more accurate and more precise.